5 warning signs that you're using your law of attraction visualizations the wrong way. And it's very important because unless you correct that, you can actually manifest the things that you don't want. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into the video. Number 1, you're thinking too much and not feeling enough. Now, the way that you manifest is feeling. Now, what is feeling? Feeling is conscious awareness of the vibration that you're in. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. What is like? The energies. So feeling is awareness of your own vibration, your own energy. And the way that you actually impact and have a transformational visualization experience is through feeling. So what happens with most people is they get into their mind, they try to intellectualize their visualizations. No. Do not do that. Get involved in the end result. What would it feel like if you manifested that job you've always wanted, if you were able to grow your income to that level you wanted, if you knew you had your dream house and you were moving into it in 90 days, if you knew in 3 weeks you were going to meet your soulmate, you knew the exact time, you knew the exact location, if you knew these things were going to happen or had already happened, how would you feel? How would you feel? Because the subconscious mind responds to feelings. Psychologists tell us that our subconscious mind is responsible for 95% of our life. 95%. It's the unconscious mind. It's not intellectual. It responds to feeling. And so what I invite you to do during your visualization process is to actually think of the end result and then start to get involved in that feeling of it. Use your intellectual faculties to picture it. Like, what would be happening if you were if you just got your dream job? Like, would you be calling your boyfriend or your girlfriend or your parents or your friends? Would everyone be jumping up and down, yelling? Would you guys be having a party? Get involved emotionally into the end result. So it stimulates the feeling and it actually tricks your brain and your subconscious mind that it's already happened, and that's how you impact it and reprogram it. So the question is, what would happen if you did have your dream house? If you just closed the deal on it, you're running around. Is your landlord mad because now you're not renting? Like, what's happening? Is your real estate agent so excited and they just gave you the keys to the house? What's happening? Get into the end result, because that's what stimulates the feeling of it. So get out of your mind about, will this happen, or what might it? I don't know. No. Get into the feeling and step into the experience of what you want already happening, and you're celebrating the end result. Number 2, you think that if you find the right technique, then you'll do it properly. This isn't about right techniques and wrong techniques. This is about getting involved in the feeling of your wish already fulfilled. And so the real question is, can you use your mental faculties and start to develop your mental faculties so you can start to imagine pictures in your mind that you can get emotionally involved with? That's it. There's no technique you have to use and you have to do. But if you have difficulty with that, download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below, and listen to that while you're visualizing, and allow that to be a prompt that can allow you to step into the experience easier. jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. But get away from techniques. Just close your eyes right now while you're watching this video and allow my words to take you deeper. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, and what I want you to imagine is a door. You're staring at a door, and you reach your hand out and you pull that door handle, and when you're going to open this door, you're going to step into the dreams that you want as if they've already happened. So you open that door, and what do you see? Are you in your dream house now? Did that door take you into a new dimension of your dream home, your dream house, your dream job? Are you driving? What's happening? See, that's the only technique that's needed, is for you to simply allow your disbelief to be suspended. You know, you go to a movie and no one needs to ask you to suspend your disbelief. Because if you didn't suspend your disbelief, you'd walk into the movie and Leonardo DiCaprio would be playing a role, you'd be like, that's not Leonardo, that's not a warrior, that's Leonardo DiCaprio guy. Hey guys, does everyone know this is fake? Does everyone know this is fake, guys? No, you suspend your disbelief, and that allows you to get emotionally involved in the pictures, i.e. the film. Similarly so, suspend your disbelief. Allow yourself to step into the pictures. Everything that is real now was once imagined. Go into your mind, get involved in the feeling. There's no wrong way to do it. Number 3, you're trying so hard that you're forgetting to breathe. Go like this. Wherever you are right now, take a huge deep breath in. Count to 5 on your inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale. And get all the air out of your lungs. Feel better? Remember to do that. Remember to take deep breaths in. Deep breath in, deep breath out. When your mind says you're doing it wrong, or this isn't working, I can't see the things that I want in my mind, you just plug on my hypnosis and you take some breaths. Breathe. Remember to breathe. It's the most powerful tool you have to cultivate peace of mind and take control of your mind. Number 5, you're bringing your past reality into your present visualization. This is huge. Most people are so attached to their past reality that they bring that into a no-limit zone. So they go to this opportunity to sit with the universe, with God, with the creative force of the universe, and they go into it and they're like, well, last year I only made $12,000, so I mean, if I could, what's realistic? 15 grand? You know, I probably couldn't meet my soulmate anyway. It'd be cool though. And they go into the experience like that. You need to let go of your past. All your past is a reflection off the way that you used to think. That's all it is. And what happens is, every time you have an emotional reaction to an experience, i.e. your paycheck, your love life, your work, whatever it is, it actually signals nerve cells in your brain. So your brain synapses wire together. There's a term in neuroscience for it called Hebb's Law. And Hebb's Law says that brain cells that fire together wire together. Your brain is hardwired to your past. So there is a habitual tendency for you to often do that. Disregard it. Disregard it. Allow yourself to step into the future that you want, uninterrupted, unadulterated by your past. You aren't your past. You are, in this moment, whatever you imagine yourself to be. And those images are going to manifest themselves in your future. So forget how much money you used to make. Forget your past relationships, your past love life problems. Forget your old job. Forget your old car. Forget your old house. You can step into that, but you have to have the courage to let go of your past. Number 5, if it's not making you smile, you might not be doing it right. Go like this. While you close your eyes and you go into your meditation, turn your cheeks up. Why? Because what you're trying to do is change your energy, so you're stepping into this visualization a different person than you were before it started. Now, this is going to allow the endorphins to go off in your brain, and what it's going to do is allow you to step into real possibilities. So when you close your eyes, when you step into that, go like this. And you remember to breathe, and you step into the experiences that you intend to manifest. You contemplate yourself surrounded by the conditions that you intend to manifest. Smile. You are the creator of your reality. You are the person that gets to mold the energy of the universe and shape it into the images that you want. It will go from an idea into a tangible reality if you can practice feeling it as if it's already happened. Do not allow your old negative thought patterns and the people of this world to tell you that it's not possible. Just because you can't see it yet doesn't mean it's not on its way. Just because you cannot see it yet, it doesn't mean that it's not on its way. There are beautiful things in store for you today. Meditate, contemplate, and visualize on that. Download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. Use that to train your subconscious mind for success and abundance. jakeshypnosis.com. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, so make sure you hit the bell, even if you've already subscribed a few weeks ago. Subscribe, bell notification, like this video to support the channel, and hashtag down below, I create my reality. Hashtag down below, I create my reality. You create your reality. Affirm that today and have a beautiful day.